I think this is like these dumbass dogs in the neighborhood. You know, like this is one dumbass dog that be a street dog. He a dumbass street dog. You know, off his leash and shit. They just be letting them go and shit. They just be like, go and get your dumb ass out the yard then. Go ahead. I know you're trying to leave with your dumb ass. You know, he be ending up on 131. He be on the little dumbass dog. He up there barking. You know, you know, and running when people be throwing shit. You know, he just a little dumbass on the run and shit. You know?